What's up guys, I'm Nomadikh, the music producer, and today we're at the second episode of the Sampling Music video series where we are reinventing 70s records. If you haven't seen the last episode, the Soul episode, that episode was crazy. Be sure to check that one out because that one turned out pretty good. Now today we're going to be doing jazz music. Jazz music has always been a really nice genre for people to sample because jazz music just has a lot of nice sounds, a lot of chill sounds, a lot of cool instruments that you can sample. And I figured it'd be a good genre for today's video. So without further ado, let's get down to business. Alright, so I'm on discogs.com as always. Check out my tutorial more in depth if you want to really learn how to do this. But just like every single time, I'm going to go to Explore All. And today we're going to be going to jazz. And then we're going to scroll down to 1970. And then I'm going to pick a different country because I've seen a lot of these records already. Let's do Italy. This looks cool. I've never seen this before. That's a crazy picture. That's interesting. I wouldn't sample that, but that's really interesting. That's weird. Desert. Oh. 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 Thumbs this up if you're feeling this one. Oh. 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 That's crazy. That is crazy. Oh. Oh. All right, let's see what we can do with this in Ableton. That part is so sick. I'm gonna loop that part, see what happens. I just want to copy this part so I don't get those drums in there at the end. Get this a little more jazzy. Get some like jazz brushes in there. Now I want like a big bass. That's what I'm feeling right now. I don't even want to mess with this because I feel like this is good. Like I feel the vibe from this. It's really simple. It's not complex or anything. And I don't want to put too much in there because I feel like it's going to mess up the vibe. I feel like this is pretty much done, honestly. Alright, well that's the beat. I hope you're digging this beat. I hope you're digging it. Leave a comment down below if you're feeling this or not. Whatever you think, just let me know. And next week we're going to be doing rock music, so be sure to stay for that, and I'll see you later.